and welcome to our tutorial on Cordova, a mobile app development platform. Cordova, also known as Apache Cordova, is an open-source mobile development framework that allows developers to create mobile apps using web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It allows you to build apps for multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and Windows, using a single codebase. One of the key benefits of Cordova is that it allows you to leverage your existing web development skills to create mobile apps. This means that if you already know how to build websites, you can easily learn how to build mobile apps using Cordova. Cordova provides a set of APIs that allow you to access native device features such as the camera, GPS, and accelerometer. This means that you can create apps that can interact with the device in ways that aren't possible with a mobile web app. Cordova also provides a command line interface that enables you to create, build, and run your app on various platforms. You can also use Cordova to publish your app to the app stores. To get started with Cordova, you'll first need to install the Cordova CLI on your computer. Once that's done, you can create a new project using the CLI and start building your app. You can also use various plugins and frameworks to enhance the functionality of your app.
Thank you for watching and for your interest in our community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our latest events and discussions. We look forward to seeing you there.